YouTube is filled with annoying ads, but you have two options to get rid of them: the expensive way and the free way. The expensive options cost $11.99 per month. With this, you won't see any ads, you can play audio in the background and enjoy a few other features that might not be very significant to everyone. Now, let me introduce the free way. Bro Browser. We all love free and legal solutions, right? Bro Browser let you enjoy YouTube Premium features. Unlike standard web browsers, Bro Browser is specially designed to block YouTube ads and much more. You can watch as many videos as you want without seeing a single ad. It supports picture-in-picture video and allow you to play audio in the background as well, which is one of the main reasons people opt for YouTube Premium. While it doesn't offer the option to download videos, that's not a big deal for most users. The primary benefit of removing ads and playing audio in the background are all here. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to share the amazing app with you. I have been using it for months and I love it. The only ad you will encounter is the one that appears when you open the app for the first time. Beyond that, as long as you keep the app running, you won't see any more ads. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.